Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Garmin Tactix 7 and today I'm going to show you how to set a custom watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face on your Garmin watch. So let's get started. Before we continue, first thing to mention, you need to download and install the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with your watch. And another thing to mention is that the watch needs to be paired with a phone for this to work. It might be Android phone or iPhone, doesn't matter. But once the watch is paired with your phone, you need to download and install the Garmin IQ application. Again, it doesn't matter if it's Android phone or iPhone, it works on both. And to download the app, you simply open the App Store, tap on search, and then type in Connect IQ and tap on search, and you should see this application on the list of the applications with this icon. Install it, and after you install it, open it. I already have it installed, as you can see, so I'm just gonna open the app. So let's open it. And in the Connect IQ store, after you allow required permissions, you will see pop-ups about the permissions in the app. Allow them, and then you will see the home page. And on this page, you will see this icon right here, Face It. And here you can basically create your own watch faces and then use them on your watch. And to do that, you need to tap on Get Started and basically download the required watch face. It's gonna start processing, and after it's done, you should be able to customize your watch face. It might take a while though, so let's wait. Okay, as you can see, it was installed to our device, and now we can set up our custom watch face. To do it, tap on plus, and as you can see, we have photos, camera, and preset backgrounds. Preset backgrounds is basically something made by Garmin, and you can choose from them. So if you tap right here, it will open the list, and you can choose from something you like, or select something you like, my bad. And then you can customize it a bit further. You can select the type of the clock, and here you can select the layout, background color, not background color, but time. You can change the time, color, and stuff like that. You can basically customize the watch face. You can add more complications if you want to. And once you're done customizing your watch face, you can tap on save and use the preset. I just don't want to do that, so we're gonna go back, and I want to use my own picture. And you can use photos. So if you select this option, it will open the folder on your watch, or rather not on your watch, but on your phone. You can browse through the photos on your phone, select something you like, and then use it as a watch face. And camera option opens the camera application. You can take a picture and use it as a watch face. I'm gonna use both actually. So let's tap on camera, take a picture of something. This was not too good. It's a bit blurry. Let's try again. So let's take a picture of this one. Okay, let's say I want to use it as a watch face. This clock, let's say I want to change the color of my time to something like greenish, like this. Minute color the same. We can also change the color of the outline, but that's not gonna be good. Let's leave it at black. Hour font, you can change the font of the clock. Minute font, again, you can change the font of the minute, and layout, you can change the layout of the clock. And once you're done, you can tap on done. And then you can also tap on specific data pools to edit them as well. You can change the color for them. You can edit quite a lot actually, which is very nice, to be honest. And once you're done customizing your stuff, you can tap on save, name the watch face, and tap on save. And it will be saved right here in the app. And you can install it anytime you want by tapping on install button. So if you tap on install, it will start installing, and it should be applied on your watch in a few seconds, like this. And the other option, the photos, it opens, like I said before, album or photo album for you. You can go to collections, for example, and do I have download folder here? Yeah, I do. Open the downloads, and let's say I want to use this picture as my watch face. You can select one you like, tap on done, and then maybe different type of clock this time. Let's just say this one. You can add more complications, of course. Whatever you like. Oh, my bad. Maybe calories, Where the calories are? I don't see them. Are they here? Yeah. Okay, so we need to move them separately. So let's say the battery is going to be somewhere here. The calories will be somewhere here. Do I want to change the color of the calories icon? Sure, let's change it to this, because it's calories. We're burning them. Outline color now, let's leave it at black. Layout, let's leave it this. Text color, let's also change the text color to this as well, so it matches. And done. Battery, leave it at this. And do I want steps as well? Yeah, sure, let's add steps as well and place them somewhere here. And once you're done editing, of course, your watch face, you can tap on save, name it again, and tap on save. Come on, you can do it. I believe in you. And then you can install it as well. And you can have many pre-saved watch faces, and then you can install them anytime you like. So if you get bored of one, you can then go back here, tap on one you like again, or you want to install again, tap on install, and it will be applied again. So you can switch between them. And basically that's it. That's how you set a custom watch face on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.